शैक्षिकी उत्कृष्टता केंद्र नई दिल्ली और क्षेत्रीय प्रशिक्षण केंद्र मुजफ्फरपुर के संयुक्त निर्देशन में संचालित 7 दिवसीय प्रशिक्षण कार्यशाला के अंतर्गत आयोजित पूर्व प्राथमिक कक्षाओं के लिए 1 जून से 3 जून तक संचालित कार्यशाला पूरा हो गया। इसमें शिक्षक शिक्षिकाओं ने भाषा, वर्ण, वर्तनी और गणित के साथ बच्चों के सामाजिक और भावनात्मक विकास के पहलुओं को समझा। दरभंगा और मोतिहारी क्लस्टर के 15 DAV स्कूलों के पूर्व प्राथमिक कक्षाओं के लगभग 100 शिक्षक शिक्षिकाओं ने जूम ऐप के माध्यम से शिक्षण तकनीक को जाना। दरभंगा क्लस्टर की हेड सह प्राचार्य श्रीमती सविता और मोतिहारी क्लस्टर के हेड सह प्राचार्य श्री प्रणव कुमार ने सभी का विशेष धन्यवाद किया और आभार प्रकट किया।
Is dealing with the training through virtual medium. I must congratulate you all. I must congratulate the RD of the zone, the cluster heads who took it and made it happen. I'm sure technology need to understand many more things, but since we are on it, the hands-on approach is going to help us in learning the technology in a much better way. So I wish you all the best. May God bless you. Safe and take care. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am, for your work. Blessing. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Ma'am, we then know that early education.
Particularly, we are concerned, rather very much concerned with the ED. Since last 6 or 8 months, we have sent a group of teachers to Odisha to take the technique particularly because this methodology, it was not adopted in our areas particularly. Only in Odisha areas it was adopted, but rest of the areas it was not adopted. But we have taken this challenge this year and we completely focused upon. These teachers I have sent to Odisha, there they stayed for 4 or 5 days. They have taken some observation and all. After that, 3 months back, we have given the training to the teachers of the different schools. I must say, now we are in the position to implement the EDP and we get the response as for the guideline of DVCA. Once again, ma'am, many thanks because you have guided us. It is very true that when this virtual classes was started, I was afraid because the infrastructure, the position, the literacy and all, I was afraid. But we are in the position to tell you that the teachers, the master trainers are doing well. We are in the position to stay somewhere to say, yes, we have done something and we can do it. These all things was happened. This all things was happened only by your guidance and your blessing. Once again, I welcome you. You have blessed us. We can achieve our target. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much for having me. God bless you all and stay safe. Once again, I'm saying stay safe.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Once again, ma'am, ma'am, you're once again cordially welcome. Ma'am, you stay safe and take care of yourself, ma'am. Ma'am, you can well understand that right from the very and we are very much confident that in the days to come, as per the expectations of DAV CMC, give our best with the effort of the master trainers, teachers, and at the same time with the kind blessings of the regional director. Once again, ma'am, I take this opportunity to welcome you in our session for guiding us, ma'am. Once again, welcome. And thank you for sparing your precious time. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Now, let's start. Manisha,
Yes, sir.
Manisha, just our senior doctor, yes, is here.
Manisha ma'am, unmute your Manisha ma'am, please.
धन्यवाद जहाँ साहब को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद और बधाई सारे क्लस्टर हेड्स को और मास्टर ट्रेनर और पार्टिसिपेंट्स को धन्यवाद।
Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
AK Sinha sir is also with us.
Thank you,
Manisha
sir.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Rajiv is also with us.
Rai, sir. Ramashish Rai, sir. Welcome, sir.
Now let us start.
All the regional officers are welcome, sir, in our session.
Thank you. Thank you.
Manisha ma'am, please continue. आप सभी गुणी जनों, सभी गुणी प्राचार्य को मेरी ओर से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मेरी सभा में उपस्थित होने के लिए। और चलिए हम लोग स्वर वर्ण और व्यंजन वर्ण दो तरह के होते हैं।
Early childhood section school is most important because scientifically it has been seen that 80% of our brain develops till we are 6. So that shows the importance of this age group, and very happy to note that the cluster and this region is giving good importance to this very age group. Now, a few things which I feel are very, very important when we deal with early childhood children of this age group from 2 to 6, that in order to confirm and see that the methodology we are using is replicated by the teachers age group are not only supposed to teach the children in a classroom or give them various practices, but they have to educate the parents also, because parents of this age group sometimes they are super ambitious and they want that children should write pages together, and with the result it is hampering the actual development of a child. So my teachers, your responsibility early childhood, our stress has to be on language development. The children should be able to express themselves in the language. The children should have the concepts made with the color concept, number concept, concept of shape, environment. That should be there. That we have to initiate and make them think differently. That means the creative aspect of the child needs to be also encouraged. Last but not the least, the social and emotional development. If a child is very bright, but he or she is not emotionally stable, in the long run, things are not going to work for that child. So the socio-emotional development, how they have to deal the things in a group, how they have to behave socially, how they can be the team leaders or team partners, how and they have to follow the instructions. So all these areas are very, very important for a child, rather than just making him write some pages. So my request to you all is, help a child in his or her overall development, rather than just knowledge of 3 hours. I'm very happy that your area is dealing with the training through virtual medium. I must congratulate you all. I must congratulate the RD of the zone, the cluster heads who took that input and made it happen. I'm sure technology need to understand many more things, but since we are working on it, the hands-on approach is going to help us in learning the technology in a much better way. So I wish you all the best. May God bless you. Stay safe and take care. Thank you so much.